What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you tuned in on Sunday and caught our live stream, we went through some rapid racing and a lot of cars to figure out who can beat King Nut. And here we go. The new number 32 Tide car was the one to defeat the Ford GT90. It was awesome. It was fun. I was super stoked. And of course, I had you guys comment I drive 32 down in the comments so we can figure out who the new driver of the 32 Tide car was going to be. And the winner was Brandon from Live or Diecast. So my man is now sitting on the top as king of the tower. So my man is driving a super fast car. And then of course in second place is King Nut. So we got some top spots and heavy hitters right there, guys. So I appreciate all of you tuning in and supporting the live streams on Sunday, which is at 2 p.m. every Sunday. In today's video, guys, we have another package. Now this is from Adrian from Big A's Diecast. He's been a huge supporter of the channel, as well as I have on his. Great friend. And he sent this. I don't know what's in here. He kind of gave me a clue and hint on Instagram, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and then we're gonna go over what I picked up yesterday and then as well as the last weekend. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open and see what Adrian sent. Ooh, there we go. Nice. So you know already my man is going on the bulletin in the perfect spot right here, guys. Look at that. You already know what we do. We're gonna go ahead and put my man on the board. Nice. Big A is on the board. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, we got a little note. It's a little lengthy, so I'm just gonna read it off camera real quick. All right, so just in case, I will read this, but I'll reach out to Adrian to see if he wants this on camera or not. Seems a little personal. It says, first and foremost, thanks for serving our country and protecting our freedom. I know we've only known each other for a couple of years or so, but I am very proud to consider myself a friend. Thank you for always putting others before yourself and being such an awesome and humble person. I am no wise man by any means, but the only sound advice I can give you is to be true, do good by others, and more importantly, stay humble, my friend. Be safe out there, happy hunting, and God bless you and your loved ones. Sincerely, Adrian, Big A's Diecast. Such an awesome guy, everybody. If you do not watch his channel, definitely go show him support. He's just an awesome guy. He's one of the first few people that I ever did trades with. We did a trade for my R35, and we got these beauties right here from him. We got the red 65 coupe. I believe this was the very first one I got from him, so definitely go show my man some love and support. He is just an awesome guy. Ooh, I see some heavy hitters right here. Man, you guys are starting to pack these up really good. I think you're trying to test my one-handed opening abilities. Here we go. Starting off, we got the Flying Customs 65 convertible, which I do have, but man, look at this beauty. There we go. I still don't have this one hanging up on the wall though. It's the only one I didn't get up there because it was still packed up in all my stuff. So it needs to go in this spot right here with the 65s. But there we go, guys. New for 2022's recolors in Flying Customs. Beautiful 65 convertible. And I see this right here. This is another heavy hitter from the circuit racers, guys. The 2020 GT500 in this legendary lime green. Look at that. Now I do have two of these, so this makes number 3. So I am gonna open one. I do want to put some real riders on one and keep one carded. This is also another one I haven't been able to put on the board with the other Mustangs, but here we go. Another beauty. Yeah, such an awesome casting. I love how they did the full details on that. All right, here we go. Two more. Yes, the Target Red Editions. Oh, my man. My man. Starting off, here we go. We got the 73 BMW 3.0. Look at this beauty. Man, she looks good. Nice red enamel. You got the number 73 still, and some silver and black tampos to go with the livery. Very, very nice, man. Awesome. So our Target got some stuff yesterday, but they did not get any red editions. So here we go. My man hooked it up. And then followed up by the red edition 76 Greenwood Corvette. Look at this color, guys. Red and white livery looking so good. You got the black MC5s, of course the number 22. Now this casting has been out for a while, and I definitely didn't grab the ones that I used to see at Fry's all the time. The baby blue, the gold, and I can't remember which other color. I do have the Kroger exclusive, but man, I slept on this casting. I definitely slept on this one. So I do have a few color variations. Now this one is probably my favorite one, of course, because it's just red and white. Look at that, dude. Nice, man. And here we go. He teased these on Instagram, and we got the new Car Culture's 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Check this out. Gotta love the Mopar green. I don't know what Dodge calls this green, but man, it is beautiful. Look at that. Nice full deco on the rear. You got the nice black 5 spokes, which look super, super close to the Hellcat wheels. And then of course the nice front grille, headlight, everything is done up, of course, being the premium. Such a wicked casting. Nice. Right here, guys, the last but definitely not least, the 69 Chevelle Ss 396. Look at this beauty. Loving the orange enamel. You got the black SS stripes, nicely done taillights and deco, of course, and these torque thrust wheels in chrome are probably one of my favorite wheels that Hot Wheels does for the real riders. Look at this beauty. Gosh, she looks really, really good, guys. Even the card art itself, man. These will be getting opened at some point. I do have a full jammer of premiums that are open and loose. Until I can get a really good display for all my premiums, I'm gonna keep these carded for now. But Adrian, thank you so much, man. Awesome, awesome package. We got 2 red editions right here, the BMW and the 76 Greenwood. And then of course the 2 Mustangs, the 2020 GT500 and the 65 Vert out of the Flying Custom. So we're gonna go ahead and move this box and actually toss it in the trash bin. So we're gonna go over what I picked up yesterday, and here we go. Out of the same American series, the C8R in this beautiful red, white, and blue livery. Look at this. Chrome 10 spokes. This is a beautiful casting. Loving the card art. This whole series is just awesome. Check this out, guys. Another one to add to the set right here, and not done yet. We did pick up the chase car. Look at this beautiful setup, guys. Got the carbon fiber graphics right there on the bottom, separating the black enamel with that white stripe. Man, this is this is so sweet. So yes, guys, this is the chase car for the Car Culture set. I think it's awesome how they did this. So you can see on the back, those are the cars listed, and since the black one isn't, it is considered the chase car. A lot of people were asking what makes it a chase, and that's what it is. It's a casting that is out of the same series, but it's not listed. So when you do find it, it's the chase car. So there we go. Picked those up yesterday. I also picked up this wicked bone shaker set right here out of the new Monster Truck series. Check out this livery, guys. Loving the white walls on these Monster Truck tires, and of course the livery matches the little one that they threw up top. So it is a closed top bone shaker. You got the really nice burgundy metallic with the steelies. Look at that. Now this is awesome. So I did text Wade over at Fordsman84 and Kingnut that this was out because they also collect bone shakers. I know Wade grabbed this one, so he was able to find it. I don't know if Kingnut ever did, but I hope he does. And if he doesn't, I will keep my eyes out for him. And then right here, guys, check these out. So I picked up 2 Johnny Lightning 2-packs from a coworker. You could already see Austin Powers and Back to the Future if you saw my Instagram post. This is what we got. Check this out, guys. Straight from Johnny Lightning KB Toys. This is a 2002 release. Look at the DeLorean and Doc Brown's Enterprise van. Look at this diorama. You got Marty McFly. Of course, you got Doc Brown and Einstein sitting there. I know I sent this picture to Rapid as a little sneak peek, and he was like, what did they do to Einstein? So yeah, it kind of looks like a little concrete animal, but that's beside the point, guys. An awesome diorama from Johnny Lightning. Look at that. The detail of the DeLorean is on point, but God, that looks so good. Of course, the scale from the DeLorean and the van is way off because the DeLorean was actually transported inside that truck, but it is what it is. It's an awesome set right here. Next one I bought is the Austin Powers. Look at that. You got the beautiful Jaguar with the British flag livery and deco, and the Corvette rocking the stars and stripes. Check this out. So freaking awesome. And I love Dr. Evil in the middle. Out of all of them, Dr. Evil is my man. Look at that. So I am picking up another one today. I believe it's a Starsky and Hutch 2-pack from Johnny Lightning from my buddy at work. He just walked in, was like, here you go, do you have these? And I was like, nope. So I picked them up for 10 bucks a piece. Cannot beat that, guys. Cannot beat that, because if you look on eBay, this is going for like 200 bucks, and this one I've seen as low as 35, but as high as like 65, 70 dollars. So crazy 2-packs right here. And then of course these I picked up. I went over the live stream. We got the 40 something, which is a beautiful casting as well. It's Collector 51 out of 2002. So all these I went over in my live stream. The Retro Racers Glory Chaser, another beautiful seafoam color for this Roadster. And of course the Coupe Clip, definitely had to grab one of those. Grabbed 3 of the Stars and Stripes series, the Custom 56 Ford. You got the Corvette right here, looking really good in that livery, and the Ford Ranchero. Wanted only these out of the set. I do have the 2018 Mustang already. I did grab this tuned classic Batman TV series car. Not for me, but just in case anyone needs it, I have one. So don't blow up the comment section yet. I did pick up 2 of the Lolux trucks. I think this is an awesome casting out of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks for this year. It's a new casting for 22. Just a wicked looking truck. I did grab 2 of these. So we have 2 of those. And then I grabbed the Goodyear truck, the 2009 F-150 out of the Hot Wheels Metro set. Loving the metallic blue, of course. So the only reason why I'm not going too in depth with these guys because we went over this in the live stream, but just in case you missed the first half of it, I'm kind of going over it. So I did mention this car and paint scheme looks way better than the real one that the guy built. I think this is a classic setup, and I mentioned it on the live stream that it just looks like a Chip Foose color scheme. The silver, red, and black is just, I think this is probably my favorite color of the car. So another Compact King car, the Nash. This awesome Torpedo Jones, check this out. I still think this is an awesome casting. Love how you got the little driver in the back with his scarf blowing in the wind, just living life. Collector number 30 out of 2002. Of course, the Studebaker, which is a new recolor for this year. And then this one right here, the Lethal Diesel. Look at that, beautiful satin black, and just love this recolor. So I do have all 3 so far. I've done a custom of one. I have a video of it if you want to check it out. That is what we got, guys. We got this awesome package from Adrian. So another huge shout out to you, my friend. I can't thank you enough for being such a great friend, a great person within our community. And like I said, guys, if you're not supporting and watching this guy, definitely go swing by and show my man some love. He does a lot of live streams, does a lot of bilingual live streams as well. So if you speak Spanish, unlike me, you can go tune in. But he caters to everybody. Just an awesome guy. That's all I can say. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up as always. And of course, comment down below. I'm just super glad and blessed to have all these amazing castings in my collection. That is all we got. Until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.